cats, which I brought ashore on my first raft. And I had a dog. Atticus, do you think Boo Radley ever really comes and looks in my window at night? Jim says he does. This afternoon when we were over by their house...
I told you and Jen to leave those poor people alone. I want you to stay away from their house and stop tormenting them.
Yes, sir.
And I think that's all the reading for tonight, honey. It's getting late.
What time is it?
8:30.
May I see your watch? To Atticus, my beloved husband. Atticus, Jim says this watch is going to belong to him someday.
That's right.
Why?
Well, customary for the boy to have his father's watch.
What are you going to give me?
I don't know that I have much else of value that belongs to me. But there's a pearl necklace. There's a ring that belonged to your mother. And I put them away, and they're to be yours. Good night, Scott.
Good night.
Good night, Jen.
Good night. Jim? Yeah? How old was I when Mama died? 2. How old were you? 6. Old as I am now? Mm-hmm. Was Mama pretty? Mm-hmm. Was Mama nice? Mm-hmm. Did you love her? Yeah. Did I love her? Yeah. Do you miss her?